What's going on YouTube? This your boy DeVintage, back on the video, man. Today, you read the title, you already know what we're going to be talking about today. I did a poll on my community post on YouTube, and I asked what video you want to see, and I asked if it was going to be the GOAT versus StockX or another video. I'm going to keep doing that for you guys so y'all can kind of give input on what you want to see on the channel, and give me some thoughts on what you want to see content-wise. So before we get into this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We're on the ground of 20,000 subscribers, man, right around the corner. Notification bell for your boy. Smash that thumbs up. Every goal, every video, I want to get to 100 likes, and go ahead and share the video for your boy. Follow me over on Instagram at DeVintageWorld, man. So let's get right into this video. Let's get it. Okay, so first we're gonna touch up on GOAT because I do not use GOAT a lot, but I have made purchases. I spent a total of around $600 on GOAT app with just 2 shoes. So I'm not being biased with this video. It's not gonna be me saying StockX because I spend more money on StockX. It's gonna be like an in-depth, like pretty much review on both the sites and which one I prefer and which one I suggest you to use. So with GOAT app, you can buy shoes that's unDS, DS. You can buy shoes with defects, which I just did recently. I'm going to be doing a review over that soon whenever the shoe makes it to my crib. The #1 perk with GOAT, and that's why I'm kind of, you know what I'm saying, siding with GOAT now, just because I didn't realize that they shipped on APO addresses. As y'all know, with being in the military or with having APO addresses, StockX doesn't send them to APO addresses at all, regardless if it's international fees or not. You have to ship them physically to an address internationally, man. You cannot ship to APO or PO box, which is trash. But with GOAT, you can. I just realized that because I just made a purchase on GOAT app. Like I said, it's going to be a review over that, over the whole process of buying a shoe with defects. And I want to bring that video to you guys. But they do ship the APO addresses, which is a major plus for me. As y'all know, I live over in Germany. And with StockX, you got to spend that like extra 60, you know what I'm saying, $50, $60 getting the shoe, and then plus taxes if you buy from certain states. Also with GOAT app, you get a lot of features. Like they have the buy now feature, the instant ship feature, the under retail feature, the trending sneaker feature, and they have a release counter, which is all dope when speaking about sneakerheads and what they want to see and what's going to release very, very soon. So that's very dope, a plus for GOAT app. And another perk with GOAT, you can cancel your orders, man. That's something you cannot do with StockX. And I'm going to touch up on that when we talk about StockX, but you cannot cancel your order on StockX, but you can with GOAT app, which is a very, very dope feature, man, in my opinion. Just in case you accidentally bought some shoes, you know what I'm saying, your wife probably bought some shoes, wrong size, you ain't know, try to surprise you, you can go ahead and cancel the order real quick. So that's a plus for GOAT. With GOAT app, you get this little card right here. It says GOAT. It says GOAT.com, and on the back you get it authenticated by, and you get the little signature. This one right here, this signature was just a J. As you can see right there, I guess his name's probably like James, whoever knows. But you get this GOAT card, but you do not get stickers like StockX, which we're going to talk about when we talk about StockX. So you get this, and I think they ship USPS if I'm not mistaken. I haven't bought a shoe on GOAT app in a while, but I just bought a shoe today, and it's going to be here maybe in 2-3 weeks. I don't even remember the shipping time for GOAT, but go check out my recent reviews or my recent pickups from GOAT app, maybe last year when I copped the Air Jordan 13-14 DMP pack. I probably explained how long it took to get those shoes, so go check that video out. And just know that I will be talking about the shipping process and how long it takes whenever I get these defected shoes from GOAT app. Hopefully next week or the week after that, whoever knows. So yeah, let's get right into StockX. Okay, with StockX, we all know that they have nothing but DS shoes. You cannot even make it through the process if you're a seller with like a half-worn shoe, or if it look unDS, you don't kick it back. Thing with StockX is a lot of fake allegations. Y'all know last year that Sean Witherspoon took a huge blow at StockX, saying that they always get a lot of fakes coming to round 2. And I made a video about it, and I was asking you guys, did I receive fakes from GOAT? Because y'all know I spent a lot of money on GOAT. I spent upwards of $3,000 on GOAT. Not a lot, but when you're speaking about like buying shoes in general from an app or from anywhere, that's a lot of money. That's not even including the shoes I bought for retail in the store. So as you can kind of imagine how much I spend on shoes, it's kind of crazy if you think about it. But I spent upwards of $3,000 on StockX. That includes my SheaRhim shoulder bag and shoes. So that's one thing I want to talk on. You can get SheaRhim, you can get handbags, you can get watches, and you can get of course sneakers on StockX. With that's their 4 features they have. And they also have a release counter, which is very dope when you're trying to stay up to date on what's dropping. You can also check the market before the shoe even drops, which is very dope. I did not check on GOAT app. I think they have maybe the same features where you can tell how much the shoe is going for before market. If somebody got it up, they're selling it early, they can throw it up there, you can check the price. But I know with StockX, they specifically have a calendar with the shoe, and they have what it is going for at that moment. Okay, with this process of StockX, you put the bid in, the seller accepts the bid, the seller ships the shoe to StockX, StockX authenticates the shoe, they make sure it's legit, they make sure it wasn't worn, and they make sure it's all good for the buyer. Then StockX ship the shoe to the buyer, then the buyer received the sneakers, man. And a couple of things you get with StockX in the packaging, you get, this is a newer sticker, you get the all black sticker with the StockX on it. This was back in the day, I guess. This is the old StockX stuff where they got the sticker with just like this. And now they have it, when I got my SheaRhim shoulder bag, they had a sticker. I'm gonna show them information. I don't think it's no information on here. Yeah, it has my address, but it's like a sticker, I guess. You can peel it off, and oh, it's not a sticker, it's just like a cutout of what you bought. It's a receipt. Back in the day, they used to give you a receipt like this. Let me cover my information up. They used to give you a receipt like this, man, a paper, like they just got out the printer and threw it in there. Now they stepped it up a bit and gave you like a little cutout, a little nice StockX symbol up there, give you the pricing, where you shipped it to, and all that good stuff, man. So that's very dope. And also back in the day, you used to get this right here where you can like snap a pic, show us your verified authentic tag, upload on Instagram, #StockX, get featured, and brag to your friends about purchase from StockX. And it was just like this, man, which is very, very nice. I recently just watched a video on Complex with the CEO on a full-size run on Complex. It was very dope. I got like kind of a lot of information, and I was really listening to what he was saying about like the fake allegations and stuff like that. But it's neither here nor there. Let's get back into this video. So like I said, you cannot order shoes on StockX, shipping them to APO or PO addresses, which I gave GotApp a big thumbs up, that's a very dope asset, man. I feel like if you're not international, if you still belong to like the United States, you feel me, I feel like they should ship to you, APO, PO, without the extra fees and stuff like that. So that's one thing I wish StockX could do, because as y'all know, I spent $3,000 plus on StockX, and I would keep spending that money, but now that I figure out GOAT got the shipping APO, until I move back to the States, I'm definitely going to be using GOAT. And also, you cannot cancel your order on StockX. You cannot change the shipping address. I hit up StockX, I tried to cancel order for Air Jordan 11 Jeter Lows, because I figured out they was getting them over here overseas. I could have got them for retail very fast, gave you that review, but I could not cancel, so I did not buy the shoes, couldn't bring out the early review or the review in general. And I was trying to change the shipping address, so I wanted to ship it to my mom, not my mother-in-law, but I couldn't change up the shipping and stuff like that, because with StockX, as soon as you hit purchase, you cannot change anything, man. Like, not a damn thing you cannot change. It's crazy, but it is what it is. But with GotApp, you can actually hit help. You can hit cancel order. They have a tab that says cancel order on the process, and you can ask to change the shipping. I have not tried to do this yet, but I do know you can do it on the app. Another plus I would say for StockX is how you get the shoe. You get the shoe with the little, you know what I'm saying, StockX verification tag, which is very nice. And on the back, you get like the little please inspect item, all claims null and void if tag is removed. So if you remove this right here, you cannot return the shoe to StockX. Touching back up on the canceling your order. If you get the shoe and you don't think it's DS or you don't think it's real, you can keep this on here, hit them up and say you think the shoe is fake. And I do believe they do like a little research, they do a little investigating, and you do get your money back in case you do get a fake, or if you do get a worn shoe, man. Which I don't think that a lot of fakes and worn shoes get through, just because they have a lot of staff. When I just watched this video, they have a lot of staff. But he did say, the CEO of StockX said that one person can get upwards of 500 shoes a day verifying just for one person, and they get upwards of 20,000 shoes a day, which is crazy, man. That's good for business, but that's kind of hard on the employee verifying shoes, trying to figure out if the shoe is DS or not. And they said have a success rate of 98.5%, I believe, of success rate. So that only leaves 1.5 room for error, and that's very dope in my opinion. So that's one thing I wish GotApp did have, maybe like a little hang tag or something, some stickers to have the GOAT on there. Which is just dope. I love the symbol for GOAT. They have an actual GOAT on there, and it's nice, man. StockX with the sticker is dope, but I feel like the symbol or the logo for GotApp is a little better. All right, that is it for this video. All in all, right now, in my opinion, I personally will go with GotApp, but I feel like StockX has a lot more to it, which you can have like handbags, streetwear, watches you can buy on StockX as well, and of course sneakers, hype beast stuff, whatever you want to buy. Get them authenticated, get them shipped straight to you. So StockX is a middleman along with GotApp. I do know with GotApp, they do have it to where they have shoes in stock now. I don't know how that works, but they do have it on a feature to where you can buy the shoes straight from GotApp, which is nice. You can get the shoe faster. You don't have to wait for the process from the seller to GOAT. You can get them straight from GOAT. So like I said, GoDapp, I'm going to personally now because they do ship the APO. Until I move back to the States, I am going to be using GoDapp. I'm going to do a couple of reviews over the Go process. Like I said, I just bought a shoe on GoDapp and it had defects on it. So I'm trying to see if, you know what I'm saying, the defects is too crazy. I seen the picture, I didn't see a lot of defects, but maybe in person they're different. So I'm going to bring that review to you guys over GoDapp because I haven't did it in a while. And yeah, that's it for this video. Y'all let me know in the comment section below if you like GOAT or StockX. Which one is better to you? Have you ever received fakes from either one? I don't hear a lot of fake allegations going around GOAT, but of course, everybody has heard them going around StockX. So let me know in the comments section below which one you fuck with more. Follow me on Instagram at DeVintage. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already. Smash that thumbs up to get every video up to 100 likes. Ring notification bell for your boy. 20K to grind, man. I'm going to catch you guys in the next video. Peace.